Wow. Wow. These toys very dirty. Okay, we will take and move here. Wow. Okay, put here. Okay, take again. Wow, it's very dirty. Okay. Okay, take this. Wow. Okay. Okay guys, we take this. Wow. It's very hot. Oh no. Cement maybe? Very dirty. Oh no. No. Okay, we try to clean these toys. Okay, already take all and let's go. We will be clean. Come on. Come on guys. Okay, we arrive in here and this water we will clean here in the shower, and this our toys, and we have this one for put the toys clean. Okay, let's go. Wow, what is this? Wow, T-Rex. Wow. Okay, next.
Tail.
Wow. Wow.
Hope I'm not too late.
I'm sorry, who are you?
Name's Tails.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Step 1, light taunting. Step 2, I have no idea.
Next. Okay, next. Who is this? Wow. Oh, Sony.
Sonic.
Wow.
Return to sender. Face it, you're never going to get my power. Sonic, meet Knuckles.
Sony. Oh, who is this?
Dr. Eggman.
Papa's got a brand new stash.
Since I've been gone, I've discovered the source of ultimate power.
That sounds big. It's been on my vision board for years.
Mr. Eggman. Okay, next. Wow. Crackers.
Do I look like I need your power?
Clean.
Superwings. Mira.
Found it! Down there! It's dive time!
We're losing him!
Not if I can help it!
Clean. Okay. Who is this? Oh. Wow. Who is this? Wow. Jet.
A giant shadow! Whoa!
Clean. Okay, I'll take this one. Who is this? Play.
Superwings. Flex. Follow me! Jet! Guys, you found me! We've been looking everywhere for you! Follow me! Wow!
Okay. Clean. Who is this? Let's clean. Scan.
Ryder, I see them! Get the harness to him? Sure can, Ryder. You got him!
Thank you, kind pups!
Special delivery!
Clean. Next.
Chase.
Chase is on the case!
Clean. Wow. Thanks. clean.
Superwings. Chase.
Clean.
Sorry, guys. Looks like this whale isn't ticklish.
Thanks for trying, Chase.
You got it. Pepper sprinkling action!
Clean. Next. Okay. What? Singing. Let's go. Wow.
Buzz Lightyear.
Okay. Boost.
It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go.
I think I have to go.
Where are you going? Why?
We all go? Are we going?
No time to explain. Attack.
No time to explain.
Boost Lightyear. Clean. Okay, next.
Paw Patrol. Rubble. Time to clean up this mess. Deploy waffles, pancakes, and French toast.
Clean. Next. Okay. This one. Let's see.
Paw Patrol Rocky.
Can help fix it? Rocky, let's use your barge.
Great idea. Barge.
Now, let's get it aboard.
You got it. Crane.
Okay. Clean. Okay. Next. Wow, glass. Rớt à? Easy. Let's clean.
Sheriff Woody.
Been lost.
No, guys, listen. Bonnie had a great day in class, and we're going on a road trip. Road trip?
Vacation!
But then something really weird happened. Bonnie made a friend in class.
Mr. Woody. Okay. The toys is clear. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. See you next video. Bye bye.